Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage inside sales with ZoomInfo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the ZoomInfo platform and log into your account. Navigate to the Sales tab on the main dashboard. Click on Inside Sales from the drop-down menu. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Locate the Prospects section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New Prospect to begin building your list. Enter the details of the prospect, including name, email, and phone number. Utilize the search filters to refine your prospect selections effectively. Explore the various categories like industry, location, and company size. Once you have your list, click on Save or Add to List. To engage with your prospects, navigate to the Outreach tab. Select the Email Campaigns option to create your messaging. Click on Create New Campaign and fill in the necessary details. Draft a compelling message that speaks to your target audience. Specify the timing and frequency of your email sends. Preview your campaign to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, hit the Launch Campaign button. Monitor the performance of your campaigns from the Analytics section. Review metrics like open rates and engagement levels. Make adjustments to your strategies based on the analytics provided. Utilize the CRM integration feature if required for better tracking. Develop follow-up tasks based on responses from your prospects. Regularly update your prospect list to maintain its relevance. Leverage additional resources in ZoomInfo for ongoing training and support. Explore collaboration tools to enhance teamwork within your inside sales team. Stay informed about new features and updates in the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.